Hey guys, we are at Crystal Beach. Get ready to go fishing. And my friend Stu is here. Hey Stu, say hi. Say everybody hi. Say hello. You wanna bark? Hello. Do you say hello, Stu? I guess he's ready. I'm fishing in here with my friend Jag. Jag?
Jag.
And Stu. Stu.
We got some smallies out here on Lake
You wanna be
Erie.
on the camera? He's a dog, shy doggy. Look, hey buddy.
Watching the bait.
Yeah.
He's like, Dad, bringing a fish. I want that fish.
We're fishing Lake Erie. No.
Yeah, Lake Erie.
Lake Erie. We got another fish on, another bus.
Not yet. Not on the boat yet.
Not on the boat yet.
That's another toad.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got to jump him. Stoke, come here. Come here, Stoke. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that fish. Smallie.
That's a pounder. Woo!
Yeah, baby. Good job, Stoke. Whoa, sorry. Look at that fish. I'm getting grass.
He's lively, this guy.
Awesome.
See how it came right through.
Okay, we just got this bus. Now we're gonna release it.
It's gonna splash me right in the face. Oh yeah! Love them, bud. Soaked. Love it.
You got soaked. Where is he?
Let's go. Might be a sheepy because she's staying low.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
he's right there. Look, you can see him in the water. That's a sheephead, right?
That might be a walleye.
No, sheephead. Holy cow!
There you go, bro.
It's a big sheephead.
That's a small one.
Holy! Awesome, dude.
Want a picture?
You just got a nice sheephead. Yes.
We call this the Great Canadian Redfish, baby.
Holy cow! Let me hold that, man.
Here, I'll get a picture.
Wow, nice.
All right, Rock, put that Canadian redfish back in the water. Here she goes.
Bye.
You can watch the whole thing go down. Oh, that's sick. Stogie's watching. Keeper, I bet you.
Yeah, it's right there. See it?
Oh yeah, that's a decent keeper.
Oh wow, look at that.
Look at this smallie right beside.
Yeah, you're right beside. Oh, he's right here, look.
I know. Keep that fish in the water.
Yeah.
Rock. Just hold on to it.
He's right there, look.
I know. He's following the bait. You gotta catch that.
Oh yeah.
Look at him.
Tried to get a double, guys. He tried to get a double.
Alright, I'm gonna bring this in. He doesn't want to buy that one. Let me squeak behind you, bro. Get that for you.
Still, oh.
Stoke, back. Stoke, back.
Stoke.
Stoker, back. Back.
Oh,
You're good.
it's a nice sheephead, huh?
Oh, yeah. He's pinned. Look at that smallie still sitting there.
Yeah.
When I get this fish out, throw that bait right back at that smallie. We got one of them.
Got another sheephead.
Great Canadian. Great Canadian redfish.
It's a big redfish.
You got it?
Hold on.
Good?
Yep.
Alright.
Okay, look at that. The Canadian redfish. That's some job. Get the video sideways.
Video mode.
So-
All right, Rock, put that Canadian redfish back in the water.
What do you think? How's fishing day for you, buddy? Why are you so shy?
He's camera
Look.
shy.
He's a camera shy, this guy. Come on. Okay, Stug. How you doing, Stug? Look at him. Stug. Come on. Don't be like a badass. Come on, don't be like that. Put your head on. Be like a hunter. Go. Don't take your head off. Put your head back on.
Fun, bro.
Come on. Put your head's back on. Don't drop my head on the water. Leave him on. Good job. Captain Stargate in action. What do you say? How's fishing day? Pretty good, right? Again, he's gonna be shy. Look, he's dropping my head. Doesn't like to be a captain, guys. Come on, Stuggy. Get the hat. Put him on. Hey, be good. Sit down. Sit. Look. Oh, he's gonna drop my head. Okay, guys, we got another fish on. Oh,
Look at this one.
nice. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah, give it some fight. Still got power. You're on board. Jack, how many fish we caught so far?
Well, it's number 5, and we're in the honey hole now. So
we're gonna
catch one like
we're gonna
these
put them back.
next year, baby.
Gonna
Fish and
release
Bite
them.
Guide service. Here we go. Get in there, baby. Oh yeah.
Look at that. He's gone. Good job.
Happy, bro.
Good job.
Oh.
My friend Jack's got a big bass on. Oh yeah.
That's a nice one. Pounder, I bet you.
That's another one. He's snag you.
Maybe a 5. Look at all the fucking minnows he's spitting out. There we go. That's another 5.
Yeah. Oh baby. Good job, Jackie.
Just drop it over the side, bro. That's a big one. That's bigger than yours.
That's a nice. Look the color in the eyes of the fish, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look the minnow that he's just spit out, huh?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at that, baby. Nice fish. Stog, what do you think? The boss did it. Got hooked good. Got that.
I bet you that's almost 5 again.
Oh wow, look at that.
The video.
Yep.
All
So
right.
number 6
Number
of
6.
today.
Come back out. Let's get them all, baby. Put them back. Let them breed. This guy's a little rough. I can tell.
He's in a rough shape.
Yeah, you can see all the blood on him and stuff. There he goes. Hey, Rock, what do you think about today, bro?
Man, we got probably 7-8 fish. We got 2 sheephead and the rest all smallie, but look the size.
Look
of the
at
small,
that
guys.
toad, boys.
So I really want to appreciate it. I want to say thank you to Jack, Stu,
problem.
and my friend.
Anytime,
Summer,
bro.
taking me out fishing, throwing me on a bus. My first time catch some big ass bass like this. So if you guys want, thank you for showing up. Check my YouTube channel, Passion Fronting and Fishing. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video. Stay tuned. We're gonna release this fish. Ah, he just bite me.
Oh yeah, he's ready to go. There he goes. Down to the bottom. All the way down.
Awesome.
So that's the end of the day. Getting pretty choppy out here on Lake Erie.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming out, bro.
Thanks, guys. We're done for the day. Sturger, would you like to say something? I hope you enjoy your fishing day. That was awesome, buddy. He's shy, guys. He doesn't want to talk. How come your dog doesn't want to talk, Jack? He's too shy. Why you look that way? You want to send a kiss? Say, guys, check it out, Passion Hunting and Fishing. Don't forget, he's an awesome dude. Where you going? Stugger. Stugger. I can see you. I see you. You little bugger. Come here. Stugger.
Recorded.
Okay, Jake. What do we use for bait today?
So what really needed work this morning was the Ned rig with a little worm. Take the tip off. The green little tip. It worked great out here. It's when the bass are hitting off the ground.
So for the bus, you use the red.
Yeah, we used the Ned rig. Use the
Ned
rig, N-E-D. And then once it gets a little bit deeper in the day, they like to come off the surface, and that's when we switch over to drop shot. Put them right in front of them, and you can just see them hammer it every time.
Yeah.
Just works great.
That was awesome, Jake. That was an awesome day. We caught a lot of smallmouth bass, about over 5 pounds each one of them, and 2
3 pounders, I'd say, probably, maybe 4s.
Yeah. What about
got
you?
the scale, but I know the legits of it. Rocco pulled off the tank at the end there. Throw your seatbelt on so it's not barking at us. And yeah, good day on the water. What, 3.5 hours?
Yeah, it was
in and
good.
out.
Yeah, we got here around 6:30 and it was pretty late today,
Yeah,
right?
it was good.
But we still did good. So yeah, thanks for letting me come fishing, buddy. Really
No problem,
appreciate it.
Rocco.
Awesome.
Anytime.
Stay tuned, guys, for the video coming up soon.
Peace.